This video teaches you how to display or hide these comments and how to add, edit, and delete them. Turn on the markup feature. Choose the correct display view if necessary. Choose the point in the text you wish to comment on. Insert the comment. Type your comment in the balloon. Select the comment you wish to respond to. Insert your response comment. Click the balloon whose comment you wish to edit. Make the text changes you want. Right-click the comment you wish to delete. This displays a pop-up menu. Select Delete Comment from the pop-up menu. Display your document in Print Layout view. Turn on the comment display if it is not already turned on. Determine which comments you wish to display and print. Select Reviewing pane from the tracking group in the Review menu ribbon. Select Vertical to display the pane beside your document or Horizontal to display the pane beneath your document. Microsoft Word uses the username and initials that you were prompted to give when you installed Microsoft Office. You can change the name and initials by using the Word Options dialog. Click the File tab and select Options from the File menu at the left edge. Enter your name and initials in the fields under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Click OK. Print your document.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.